welcome everyone in this video where we are going to talk about the list of top B schools which have no criteria with regards to your previous academics. Now this is one of the very important videos because lately I have got this concern from a lot of students saying that, sir, my academic scores is very bad, my 10, 12 graduation scores are very bad. So is it that I will not be able to get into any of the good colleges? So guys, that's not the scenario. For that particular concern, you should watch this video till the very end, because here I have put down the list of colleges, even the total number of seats that they have, the average packages and everything in detail are there with regards to the admission process for all these colleges. Now you will see the list of colleges that I'm sharing with you on screen right now are those colleges which are at par with the top IIMs. It's not that you're talking about that without academic you only have the tier 2 or tier 3 colleges. No, you have all among the tier 1 colleges. There are a good amount of colleges which does not give any weightage to your previous academics. So let's go ahead and see this video till the very end, because that's going to give you a lot of clarity with regards to your further preparation. Alright, so just a quick reminder, in case you are not following us on YouTube, you are first time visiting our channel, so please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, because we have our free sessions that happens every night at 8 p.m. So please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can benefit from there, as well as follow us on Instagram, because we get our daily updates coming in there on a regular basis. Alright, so further what we see here, the first college that I've shown you in the list is FMS Delhi. The average package of the college is 25.6 lakhs per annum with a total seats of around 250. So guys, understand, FMS is that college where students leave even if they get Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. Because you might be knowing that the fees of FMS is really on a low side. So the ROI factor is very good for FMS. So ROI was one benefit, but if you look at, so what we'll do is we'll show you on their website as well. So let me just take you to the website. Yes, this is the website of FMS. So if you see, look at the selection process they have given you here to the selection of MBA, like FMS MBA full-time course. It will be based on the personal interview, group discussion and CAT score. They have no weightage given to any of the your previous academics at all. So directly that means your personal interview, group discussion as well as CAT score, a very simple straightforward process out there. If you have not scored in your 10th and 12th, you do not have to worry on this. So that is the important thing. That's why going for a college like FMS, you just have to make sure that you get the best possible score in your CAT, and then give your best shot for your GD and PI. Let's look at the other college, XLRI Jamshedpur. Another college which is again at par with the top 3 IIMs itself. So people leave Calcutta, people leave even Lucknow and Indore campuses to get into XLRI. Average package of around 24.3 lakhs per annum with a total seats of 480. The seat itself is good number. It's not that it has less number of seats. The seats is also good. Let's check out that again in terms of the process. So over here, so this is XLRI. So I am sure so some of you might not be able to see a part of the screen, but I can tell you here. You can look at, this is stage 1, which is nothing but registration fee for CAT ZAT, and then you have shortlisted candidates. This is purely on the name of CAT ZAT exam. Sorry, not CAT. But ZAT and GMAT exam. The third part, which is the interview process. So directly the interview for the BM candidate, which is business management candidates, through ZAT and GMAT will be conducted, blah blah blah. All of this is there. Again, no mention of the previous academics, and that's what we have even got to know, that XLRI does not give any weightage to the previous academics. So this is again a very good college. From the tier 1, I can say among the top 10 colleges, in fact, not giving any importance to your previous academics. MDI Gurgaon. So that's again an average package of 20.13 lakhs per annum with a total seats of 360. Let's check out the process there. So over here, so this is where I'm showing the PDF document of the MDI Gurgaon Institute, that talks about the selection process and all that. So yes, you see here, CAT 19 was given 55% weightage. There is something called an application score, wherein they have your 10, 12 academic diversity, gender diversity and work experience. All of that together is 15%. So yes, 10, 12 you see here, but then again there is no exclusivity in terms of only 10th and 12th score. It's a combined score of your entire application, which comes down to be 15%. So again, the VAT GD is going to be 30% here. So good 85% weightage is directly from your CAT and GDPI process, okay, and the application score, which is a combined score of 5 different factors, will come down to be 15%. So yes, this is about MDI Gurgaon. Let's check out the other more colleges that we have in the list here. IFT Delhi. Now if you go to IFT Delhi, okay, on the website you might not see any of the details with regards to the admission process, but then there are a lot of other websites, okay, which have done their investigations, then their research, and got this information there. So before that, okay, this is again a good number here that you see, which is around 20 lakhs per annum, with a total seats of around 360, which is a good number, okay, which is definitely a good number. So let's check out. So IFT process, this is what I see here. The IFT exam is directly given 65% weightage, with a group discussion weightage of 15% and interview 20%. Directly nothing given to your academics at all. So guys, these are good things that you get to see here. So you guys should be taking advantage of this. Jamnalal Bajaj, okay, we know that there is directly you give CET, make sure you get a 99.9 and you get into JBIMS with no weightage to your previous academics at all again. TIS, okay, which has got an average package of 18.77 lakhs. Okay, if you guys check on the website, you will see that. So this is the TIS website. So you see that stage number 1, which is the TISNET exam. Okay, this is only used to shortlist candidates for the next round. Okay, next stage, and it will not be counted further for any overall score and all that. In the second round, they are going to take your pre-interview test as well as your interview, and the final list will only be based on these things. In fact, they have given you here the weightage. Yeah, the score of the pre-interview test as well as PI will be aggregated in the ratio of 70 to 30% for the final selection. So that again gives you a very clear picture that TIS is also not giving any importance to your previous academics there. Let's check out further with the last list that we have in this list. Okay, is MICA Ahmedabad with the average package of 13.9 lakhs per annum and a total seats of around 240. Okay, so in this case also we have gone through the website of MICA. Alright, so I think I'm not able to show you here on the screen, but then MICA does not have any particular weightage given to the previous year academics. So guys, make sure, okay, that this video is good enough as a motivation for you guys, that in case you don't have any good academics, okay, do not have to worry, that you guys can definitely get into one of the top colleges. But make sure that you give your best for your CAT preparation, JAT preparation, and get the best possible score there. If you have got a good score, I am telling you that leave the colleges which focuses on academics in case you have a poor academics, and you can definitely crack one of the top colleges. So before I wind up, okay, quick reminder that if you guys are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.